Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the operator in MDX, which is the like operator. Okay, so in the previous session, we talked about how to write the in class or not in class, where you can exclude the values or include the values based on your business requirement. Similarly, we can write the like operator, right? So that is possible in the MDX. But if you look at normally in SQL, normal SQL, where you write the percentile symbol, or that you mention the values, right? Which are the values that you're looking for. If the string is matched, then it will fetch the data. But in MDX, we write the same in different way. Okay, so now here you can see here I'm trying to fetch the my calendar year information. If at all any years consist, consist is 201. Okay, that means 2010, 2012, anything, any data from 2010 to 2019, it will fetch. Okay, how I wrote this query. So probably I will simplify this query here. Okay, maybe I'll remove this to avoid the confusion. Okay, so this is my MDX query. Okay, first what we need to do, we need to use the filter condition. Uh, Within the filter condition, we need to mention the members, okay, which is the member that you're trying to search using the like operator. Then again, in that, so the next argument that you can pass in string, this is the one of the MDX function, but you won't see in the under the functions list. Okay, this is the one, but you can use it, it will work. So it's in string. Within the in string, what I'm searching here, if at all my calendar year, that is nothing but my current members. Okay, current member is nothing but it will fetch all the values and check whether it's like a row by row operation, whether the each row under the year, whether we have the values that mentioned in the uh, in string function. Okay, so I use the current member, and after that I'm fetching the name, whatever the current member I have it, the respective name I'm fetching. Okay, generally you will have like key and name, right? So if you look at here, if I drag these accessories, right, now you can see, though I drag the accessories, it's showing the number 4. That is nothing but it's a key value. Okay, if you look at the cube solution in the Visual Studio, where you can see these properties, right? There are the two properties called key column, and other one is the name column. Okay, that's the where you see these properties and particular attribute. So so that's the reason you can mention here if it is a key, means where you can represent in the integer how it's for category they represented, right? So the 4 is key value. Okay, and where is the name is the accessories. Okay, so similarly, you need to mention that whether the current member you're looking for the key or name. Okay, here in my scenario, I'm looking for the name. Okay, so the name is nothing but that displaying in our reports. Okay, and then the name consists of 201. Okay, if the in string, this is the true, whatever the condition that I passed is true, which is nothing but I'm searching like mentioning like greater than 0. That means it's a true or false. Okay, now whatever the string that I passed here, if it is a greater than 0 means it's a true. Okay, if that does not exist, it will be 0. Okay, so it's like whether the string exists or not. That's the way the MDX works. Okay, since I mentioned the greater than 0, now what it will do, if I execute this query, it will fetch all the information, um, mention that 201. Okay, so you can see under the calendar year, the 4-year values already is having 201, right? Now instead of that, what I can do, maybe I'll search 2011. Let's see what will happen. When I search 2011 string, it's only fetch the 2011 because it's only one value exists under the calendar year. Okay, so this is how you can use the in string where you can search the record and get true or false. If it is a true, then it will fetch the results. If it is a false, then it won't fetch the results. Okay, let's see what will happen if I enter 2015. Do I get the results? Right, so I won't get the results. Now the same like operator, you can you can try to use less than 0, okay, or equals to 0, sorry, yeah, equals to 0. Then what will happen? Let's see. Okay, so this means uh, it's excluding that particular value. Here in our scenario, this is working like, now this statement is working like a not in clause. Okay, not like clause. Okay, if we want to change that to like clause, then you can mention greater than 0. That means I'm giving the positive value. If the record exists, fetch it, otherwise don't exist. That's how I'm giving here. Okay, so this is how the in string will help. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Not only in string, you can use right function or left function that we use in the SQL. In here again, I'm using the same where I'm searching for the product category, current member dot name. The right of the value 1 is equals to yes. That nothing but, if you see, accessories, bikes and components, all these three values are ending with yes, right? So now I'm searching for those values. If I execute this statement, then it will fetch only those three member values. Okay, it's excluded the clothing because clothing don't have a s in the end, right? So similarly, if I take the left function where I used here, where it start here, I'm searching with where it start with C. Now you see, under the category I have a clothing and components where it start with C. That's the way the results are fetched. um, in the same statements, you can also use the or clause and class. Okay, now if I say this is the filter condition, right? Now I want to add one more condition here. Okay, then what you can do, you can write or clause. Okay, and then you can mention it, still it will work. Okay, so this is how you need to write the like operator or not equal, not like operator, not like clause in the MDX. So with that, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.